Hello YouTubies, this is Sohra once again. As I have promised, in this video series we are gonna implement a static web page in October CMS. In fact, our main purpose is not the implementation of a static web page in October CMS, but to show you what each section of this backend menu does. As you can see here, there are 6 different sections, and each does different tasks. So let's get started. For this purpose, I have just created a static web page. Let me show you. So in this web page, we have got a menu bar, as you can see here, and a top navigation bar, and some accordion and side navigation bar, and a footer. So we are gonna implement this page in October CMS. It is worth mentioning that those who are beginners to October CMS, it is very important to know how to implement a static web page in October CMS. And those who have basic knowledge about October CMS, surely it will boost your knowledge. So we should create a page. Just click add. So give it a title. Since it is our index page, we don't have to give any specific name, so we give it a dash. That would be enough. We don't have any layout so far, so the name I will leave it as it is. Just click save. The next thing we have to do, we should create our partial. As I said, the partials are the footer, header, and our navigation, the meta tags, and these are our partials. So the first partial is header, second one top nav, our top navigation, another one side nav, and the footer. In October CMS, a page is nothing without a layout. We have to create a layout for the page. So just click on layout, add. I'll give it a name like default maybe. Okay, so that's it. So the next thing we have to do, we should grab this code and paste it there. So I'm gonna open my editor. This is our top nav bar. Just grab the code, paste it here, top navigation, and Ctrl S in order to save it. The next thing we have to do footer. Okay, where is footer? This is my footer. Footer. This is it. And I have got one more partial, side nav. Control A, copy, paste it here. Let's save it. So now the layout we should copy. The layout is actually the content of our website. Let's Control A, copy it, paste it here. So now we can go to our page here and we can link it to our demo page. Save it. If you want to run your website on the browser, just click on preview here. We have got only the content, nothing else, and it seems everything is screwed up because we haven't linked the JS file and CSS. So just close it off. So in order to link those JS and CSS file, we have to upload it into our project. For that, we need to create a directory. You just click on assets. So create a directory. My first directory is CSS. JS and image. So you just click on this directory and click here upload. CSS file. So I have uploaded my CSS file here. Then click on JS and upload your JavaScript. Here I have got only one JS file, that is main. And upload your image also. So now we are set to go. So we have to link those files. So actually I have linked here, but it won't work because the way the external files are linked and October CMS is different and than an ordinary file. So we have to link it here. I'm just right here a link href then this file, my first file is CSS. Okay, the directory is assets CSS style. That's CSS. This is my first file. Style.css. This is the second one. So and this is the external, so I can link it here also. I'm gonna just copy it and paste it here. Now I can just remove these files. The type is real style sheet. So now if I try to run it, just click here. Even you can preview your website by clicking on this preview button. Yeah, it seems it is getting shape, but the header, side navigation and the footer are missing because we haven't included them in our layout. So the next step is we should include those partials into our layout. Just click here. These are the partials we're supposed to include into our layout. So you should include this partial wherever you want to display it. So you can include by writing this twin tag, partial, and the name of the file, top nav, I guess. Yeah. The next one is a side nav. Should give it a space, partial, side nav. And we have header, but on this website I don't have header, instead I have top navigation. So, and we have footer also. Just click here and include the footer here. Okay. Partial, footer. So now if I try to run it, yeah, pretty awesome. So side navigation is working. So now as you can see here, the pictures are not being displayed because we haven't included them into our media. So we should go to our media, click on the images. I'm gonna upload those pictures. So now we should link them, layout, where is my pictures link? Yeah, this is my first one. This is how you can link the pictures into your website in October CMS. Media is the default directory for October CMS. Now Control S, minimize. Oh, I got an error, unexpected character. Okay, let me check it. Yeah, sorry, I didn't close this tag. So now our pictures are being displayed, but my switcher doesn't work because I haven't linked those JS files into my website. I'm gonna link the JS files here I'll just write script source I have got two JS files. One is online, another is on my local machine. So I'm gonna link only the main.js which is in my local machine. Zip main.js. So now I can delete this link. I will leave this online file as it is because it is not in my local machine. I will try to run it again. I have got an error. See, it means oh, I forgot to include the JS directory. Sorry about that. Click here, then I'll just reload it. Now as you can see here, it is working. So if I view the source page, actually we had two CSS file, but it is showing only one because it combined all the CSS file which is included in that tweak tag and make it only one, so it makes the website to run faster. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like it, just subscribe to this channel and stay tuned.